This 2024 Cruiser RV Stryker Street 2915 Cruiser RV Stryker 2915 ST is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, 29588 and is offered for sale by Recreation USA. This new Cruiser RV is 33 feet 11 inches in length and features 2 slideouts, sleeps 6, stove top burner, LP detector, Colorado detector, awning, TV, spare tire kit, slideout, skylight, water heater, external shower, and 98 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features bunk beds, front bedroom, outdoor kitchen, patio deck. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Cruiser RV Stryker Street 2915 Cruiser RV Stryker 2915 ST is 8,817 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Recreation USA, visit RVUSA.com.